Very welcome to S.St. Students, in our previous video of the chapter Understanding Secularism, which was part 1, in that we have studied what is secularism and why it is important to divide or separate the state and the religion. Now, today we will see our today's topic, that is Indian secularism. So, what is Indian secularism? Students, if we will talk the secularism of India, that secularism is not an outside concept which is planted in India, but has its domains related to India. Meaning to say that secularism is not came in India from any outside countries. It has rise in India only. Why? Because as you know, there are many communities and religion in our country. Okay, as you know that India is a vast country which has various religion and communities. So the secularism maintain the coexistence of all religion. The meaning to say that if there is no secularism in India, that what will happen? Means no communication, or you can say so many type of conflicts can be rise in India. So what the secularism is doing? The secularism is maintains a coexistence between all the communities and the religion. So that means to say the secularism is an important aspect which is maintaining all the things in a country.
So what we can say कि जो सेकुलरिज्म है वो एक ऐसी व्यवस्था है जिसके द्वारा जो देश में भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार की कम्युनिटीज़ होती हैं या फिर रिलीजन यानी कि धर्म होते हैं, उन सब के बीच में एकता बनी रहती है, यानी कि उनके बीच में कोई भी डिफ्रेंशिएशन या फिर कोई भी तरीके का कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स क्रिएट नहीं होता है, क्योंकि जो हमारी कंट्री है उसमें क्या है? सेकुलरिज्म यानी कि धर्मनिरपेक्षता है. स्टूडेंट्स, एज यू नो, द प्रीएम्बल to the constitution of our country is providing us a concept of our country. In the preamble there are two words, that is the socialist and the secular. Why these words are used in our constitution? These words were used in our constitution after the 42nd constitutional amendment, and these words were used to show a proper description which is showing that there is no discrimination, no differentiation between two or more than two religion or communities in our country. जैसे कि हमारे जो प्रियम्बल है संविधान का, उसमें जो दो वर्ड्स हैं, एक है सोशलिस्ट यानी कि सामाजिक, दूसरा है सेकुलर यानी कि धर्मनिरपेक्ष. सो ये दो वर्ड क्यों यूज़ किए गए? ये वर्ड इसलिए यूज़ किए गए क्योंकि जो हमारा प्रियम्बल है वो हमारे देश के जितनी भी पॉलिसीज़ हमारा देश चलाता है हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के थ्रू, उन सब चीज़ों को दिखाता है. और उसमें ये दो वर्ड ये दिखाते हैं क्योंकि हमारा जो देश है, हमारा राष्ट्र है, उसमें कई तरीके की कम्युनिटीज़ और धर्म यहाँ पर हैं. सो उनके बीच में किसी भी तरीके का डिफ्रेंशिएशन या फिर उनके बीच में किसी भी तरीके का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन यानी कि भेदभाव ना हो, इसीलिए जो हमारा देश है वो जो सेकुलरिज्म है हमारे देश ने अपने संविधान में उसे अपनाया है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, टू शो secularism in a state or a country, there are few objectives which has been provided by our constitution. So let's see what are the objectives and how we have to follow these objectives. So students, let's see what are the objectives saying. That first objective is saying that one religious community does not dominate another. Means if there is one religious community in a particular area, that community is not supposed to dominate another one community. ओके यानी कि किसी जगह पे अगर कोई रिलीजियस कम्युनिटी है जो पावर में है, वो कम्युनिटी किसी दूसरी जो माइनॉरिटीज़ में जो कम्युनिटी है उसको वो डोमिनेट नहीं करेगी. Okay, what is the second? That some members do not dominate other members of the same religious community. That is also following the same first one. What it is saying that if in a community, okay, there are many kinds of member in a community. If you have seen that some are having status wise, if you will see that some are having the rich status and some are in poor, but they are belonging to the same community. So what this is saying that some members do not dominate another members of the same religious community. Means those are the powerful or the rich members are there in a particular community, they are not supposed to dominate the minor one or the poor status one members of that particular community. What the third objective is saying? It is saying that the state does not enforce any particular religion nor take away the religious freedom of individual. This is also a fundamental right, and what it is saying that the state is not having any kind of right to enforce any particular religion. Means the state is not having any kind of right to pressurize a particular person to follow a particular religion. It is a freedom of particular person, means a individual's freedom that which religion he or she want to follow. Okay, that religion not take away the religious freedom of individuals. State is not supposed to take their rights to follow to any particular religion. यानी कि स्टेट ना ही किसी को किसी रिलीजन को मानने के लिए इन्फोर्स करेगी और ना ही अगर कोई किसी पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन को मानता है तो उस रिलीजन को मानने से या उसकी प्रैक्टिसेस करने से रोक सकता है. So to know more about that how the functions of the secularism are working, let's see the story which has been given in your book. In the above storyboard, the celebration of the religious festival within the school would have been a violation of the government's policy of treating all religions equality. यानी कि जो ऊपर का स्टोरी बोर्ड है उसमें जो दिया गया है, बच्चे जो डिस्कस कर रहे हैं आपस में रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल मनाने के लिए, अगर ये एक सेकुलर कंट्री के रूप से देखा जाए तो ये यहाँ पर गलत माना जाएगा. ओके, सो इन सी इन दैट नेक्स्ट स्टोरी, व्हाट इज इन द नेक्स्ट स्टोरी? इन द सेकेंड स्टोरी बोर्ड, परमजीत द सिख यूथ डज नॉट हैव टू वेयर अ हेलमेट. Instead of helmet, he is wearing a pagdi. The pagdi is central to a Sikh's religious practices, and in order not to interfere with this, allows an exception in the law. This means that in order to respect the sentiments of all religions and not interfere with religious practice, the state makes certain exceptions for particular religious communities. Means कि जो कोई अगर किसी रिलीजन को मानने वाला है तो स्टेट उसके जो प्रैक्टिसेस होती हैं या फिर उस रिलीजन से जुड़े हुए उसके जो सेंटिमेंट्स होते हैं उनको स्टेट किसी भी रूप से स्टॉप नहीं कर सकती है. Means we can say the Indian secularism works to prevent the domination through a strategy of non-interference. In order to respect the sentiments, acceptations for particular religious community are granted. Thus, in India, a Sikh does not have to wear a helmet as a mark of respect to his religion. So students, I hope you understood the topic Indian secularism. So there is a small question that are the other countries are also following the system of secularism, or if they are following, so what is the differentiation between their secularism and the Indian secularism? So let's see what is the differentiation between the secularism in different countries and what are the features of their secularism. Students, Indian secularism works to prevent religious domination is through a strategy of intervention. Abolition of untouchability in Hinduism offers a clear example. In order to prevent the religion-based exclusion and discrimination of lower caste by the higher or upper caste in the Indian Constitution, which is in Article 17, provides for its abolition. It says untouchability is abolished and its practice in any form is forbidden. मीन्स कि जो हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है वो कहता है कि एक ही रिलीजन में अगर दो कास्ट हैं, यानी कि लोअर कास्ट और अपर कास्ट, तो यहाँ पर जो अपर कास्ट है वो लोअर कास्ट को किसी भी तरह से डिस्क्रिमिनेट नहीं कर सकता है. The Constitution also saying the enforcement of any disability arising out of untouchability shall be an offence punishable in accordance with law. यानी कि किसी भी तरीके से किसी भी प्रकार की जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है, जैसे अनटचेबिलिटी है या फिर कास्ट सिस्टम है, इसको फॉलो करने वाले को इसके लिए पनिश किया जाएगा. If we see in India, the state intervention is based on the ideals laid out in the Constitution, but in other countries it is not the same. For example, in USA, state strictly separates itself from religion and does not intervene in the religious affairs. In the First Amendment of the Constitution prohibits legislature from making laws respecting the establishment of religions for the free exercise of religion. Legislature cannot declare any religion an official religion. Likewise, preference to be one religion cannot be given in USA. And if we will see the secularism in India, the state cannot interfere in religious matter. For instance, untouchability was abolished from Hindu religion. State can interfere only within the domains of the Constitution. So here we can say about the Indian secularism that it works to prevent religious dominations and discriminations. The Indian Constitution guarantees fundamental rights that are based on the secular principles. मीन्स जो हमें फंडामेंटल राइट्स मिले हुए हैं वो सारे क्या हैं, एक तरीके से जो सेकुलरिज्म है उसी के ऊपर बेस्ड हैं, क्योंकि आप अगर फंडामेंटल राइट्स को देखते हो तो वो सभी के लिए इक्वल हैं. Thus, as the Supreme Court held in one of its judgment, Indian secularism means equal feeling for all religions and not feeling for any religion. मीन्स अगर आपका जो सेकुलरिज्म है उसका मीनिंग क्या है, अगर आपकी फीलिंग किसी भी चीज़ के लिए है तो सारे रिलीजन्स के लिए इक्वल होनी चाहिए। अगर कोई फीलिंग नहीं है तो किसी भी रिलीजन के लिए नहीं होनी चाहिए। एंड इट इज़ द रियल स्पिरिट ऑफ इंडियन सेक्युलरिज्म इज टॉलरेंस and peaceful coexistence. So students, hope you understood today's topic. Today I am giving you few very short answer type questions which you have to search from the video, and the answers you have to note down in your fair notebook. Students, here is a homework questions to you. That first is, what does the term secularism refer to? Second, why is Paramjit allowed to drive in Pagdi? That I have explained to you in the storyboard too. And the third is, how is Indian secularism different from American secularism? These three answers you have to search from the explanation and you have to note down in your fair notebook. For more videos, keep watching S.St. June.